You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night.
You guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for some spring cleaning. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning today, but first things first, disclaimer, throughout this entire video I'm wearing a One Love shirt where Bob Marley is in the back smoking, and I just want to say that I do not smoke, nor do I condone it or anything like that. This is just a shirt that we had and we paint with it, and that's why you see I have paint marks on it. But because we're doing spring cleaning today, guys, I was not trying to get all cute. I was trying to put on clothes that I can afford to get dirty, because not only are we doing spring cleaning today, but when I do spring cleaning, I like to do things like tackle all the little things that I see wrong. So I'm gonna be caulking baseboards and even painting a little bit some things that were chipped in my kitchen. And so we're starting off with the kitchen for spring cleaning. What I like to do is do it room by room. I know some people will tackle it all at one time, or do all the ceiling fans in one day, all the baseboards in one day, but I do not. I like to focus on one room, so that way I can touch on every little thing that bothers me. So today I'm going to be doing the kitchen, deep cleaning every single part of the kitchen, and also tackling those little things that I see, like chipped paint or marks on the wall that I need to use the magic eraser for, or re-caulking some places. These are all things that I like to do during spring cleaning, because any other day that I'm cleaning, those are not things that I normally touch up with. And I learned from my previous house that it is way easier to keep up with these things yearly, I would say, during your spring cleaning, because if not, they can be small at first, but then they end up getting so much worse. And when we sold our other house right before closing, I was just stuck fixing a bunch of things and caulking and erasing marks on the wall and painting and doing all that stuff, and it was just so stressful. So I told myself during spring cleaning I'm gonna always tackle those little things that are bothering me that I don't normally get to year round when I'm cleaning. So that is what we're gonna be doing today, y'all, and it's gonna be motivating. I'm starting off with taking everything off the countertops, and then I'm going to be wiping down all the countertops, which I do daily. What I don't do daily is take everything off so that I can clean underneath everything that I have on my countertops. And I also don't clean my backsplash very often. To be honest, I haven't cleaned it since I've been in this house, so it's been about 6 months. So yeah, these are all things that I think are really good to tackle during your spring cleaning. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we're headed towards the more tedious task.
Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh girl, nah, nah. Oh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fun, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscing of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are
So you probably can't tell what I'm doing here because I sped it up, but what I'm doing is I took like an old card that we don't use, and I was trying to take all like the food that gets stuck in that little crack. Those little things just drive me crazy. Even when I'm cleaning the stove and then like I'm wiping everything off and then like the white stuff goes into that little crack, I wish that piece would come off so I could clean underneath it. Let me know down below if you're the same way. Things like that just drive me crazy. I hate things getting in little cracks that I cannot get to. Now I'm just going to be wiping down all my cabinets, the bottom and the top. Again, this is something that I do not do a lot. The last time I did this was right after Christmas because I had the mini wreaths hanging, and when I took them down I just felt like I needed to clean them. But other than that, I do not clean my top cabinets much or my bottom cabinets very often, so I just wanted to give everything a nice wipe down, and also the backsplash that goes all the way up. But I just want to say that I've been watching some spring cleaning videos and I see people going on their countertops to clean their top cabinets, and it makes me so nervous. Please don't do that, y'all. It just makes me so nervous that because countertops are slippery, so it just makes me think that I'm gonna fall off if I try to do that. So please, if you can, use a ladder or a chair or something like that that's a little more stable than stepping on your cabinets, y'all.
I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you.
Now we're about to get to the good stuff, but first I'm just gonna quickly wipe down all my stainless steel appliances. And here I'm just showing you guys that really the handles of my fridge are the worst part of the entire fridge. Like, the rest of my fridge does not get very dirty at all where I need to clean it with a stainless steel cleaner, but the handles get so dirty because, like, you know, when you're cooking and your hands might not be clean and then you're going in the fridge constantly for more ingredients, and yeah, those handles just get filthy. Actually, all the handles to my appliances. So let me know down below if you're constantly cleaning your appliances, specifically the handles, because mine are always filthy.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
Alright, now we're going into fixing those little things that just been bugging me, and that is on my kitchen island. I'll show you guys here after I wipe down everything that my kitchen island just had a bunch of marks and scratches from like pushing in my stools too hard, and some of the paint was also chipped off. Like, this is a new house, y'all, and we just moved in about 6 months ago if you're new here, so there isn't a ton of like a super dirty places to clean. But if you do let these things get out of hand, they could eventually become too much to handle. So you see in those little cracks there's like crumbs, which I have no idea how it got there, so I'm just using a card to try to get that out, wipe everything down. And then on the other side that I'll show you guys at first, I'm gonna use my magic eraser sure to take off as much marks as I can. And for the marks that I could not take off and the little scratch, I actually just went ahead and spray painted it a bit just so that it looks a little better. And the spray paint that I had on hand was very, very close to the color, and it looks fine. So nobody attack me in the comments that I ruined my island, please.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in.
Now here I'm just going to be caulking the bottom of my baseboards after I clean them. So guys, in this house, and apparently this is something that contractors and builders do. Let me know if this was done to your house, if you have like a newer construction house. But they did not caulk any of the baseboards. Like they'll caulk the top, but the bottoms are not caulked at all. And I just feel like when I vacuum, a lot of the crumbs go in there, specifically in the kitchen. So because the entire house is like that, well, really most of the bottom floor and then the hallways upstairs and the bathrooms, because the rest of the house has carpet, but because the whole house is like that, I just thought that for my spring cleaning, as I'm doing each room, I will caulk the baseboards for that specific room, and then it'll be easier on me. But yeah, y'all, if you need to caulk, go ahead and do it, girl. It is not that hard. Like, people would think that, oh, only contractors will do that, or only my husband can do it, and it is so easy, especially if you have one of those caulking guns that are like $5 or $6 from Home Depot, and then you just take like an old credit card and wipe it off, and it's super easy, really. Now we are going to deep clean the runner that I had in my kitchen, and I'm just quickly cleaning underneath it because I don't really do that often. But yeah, it doesn't look too dirty on camera, but I know it had some filth to it because it's in the kitchen, and the kitchen is the worst, especially to have a white runner. So kudos to me, right? But anyways, I'm using my Bissell carpet cleaner with some of their solution, and I just fills it halfway only because it's a small carpet, and I'm going to deep clean that, and you guys are gonna see all the filth that came out of this small carpet.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
Alright, you guys, after I show you guys everything that came out of the carpet, I'm just gonna wipe down my back doors really quick because they're close to the kitchen. But that is it for today's spring cleaning in the kitchen. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and it gave you some motivation and ideas to tackle in your home for spring cleaning. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like because it helps my channel a ton. And if you're not already, click that red subscribe button because I have a lot of satisfying spring cleaning coming. I have a lot of organization coming, new house updates, new house decoration. We're going to be doing the master bedroom soon, so stay tuned for that. And again, thank you guys for watching until now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.